I am Muhammad Nabi Hussain, assistant teacher of Elisha Jamila Begum High School. I welcome to class 6 student to their online class. I want to discuss with you about English first word, lesson 9. Our topic is health is wealth. Health is wealth. স্বাস্থ্যই সম্পদ. I want to discuss with you about health. A proverb says, health is wealth. We need to maintain a healthy body. Follow some rules. If we follow some rules, we keep from diseases and anxiety. Good health means proper functioning of all body organs. It is also false or also feeling well both in body and mind. People in good health are active, cheerful, and happy. If we are healthy, we must be happy and can help others in society as well. If we keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. Hygiene means some follows important rules which are essential for maintain a good health. If we keep our body fit for work or free from diseases, we must follow some rules. We must take balanced diet and need physical exercise regularly. Physical exercise makes a man healthy and fit for work. Balanced diet save the persons from the diseases. If we don't take balanced diet, we are affected many diseases. Now, the world are affected COVID-19, which is very fatal diseases Now, many physicians of the world are researching remedies of the COVID-19. Few countries of the world have made vaccine which is essential for build up body and it makes our cell to create our body activities so all of us must follow the rules of health. এখন আমি তোমাদের সাথে হেলথ ইজ ওয়েলথ অর্থাৎ লেসন 9 পার্ট ই হেলথ ইজ ওয়েলথ নিয়ে আলোচনা করছি। হেলথ ইজ ওয়েলথ মিন্স স্বাস্থ্য সম্পদ। এখানে আমি 5টি ওয়ার্ড তোমাদের লেসনটি বোঝার সুবিধার্থে উল্লেখ করেছি। ফিভার, আমরা সকলেই জানি ফিভার মিন্স জ্বর, কফ কাশি, হেডেক মাথা ব্যথা, কোল্ড ঠান্ডা অর্থাৎ সর্দি কাশি, বার্ন পুড়ে যাওয়া। These words are very familiar to us. If we maintain the rules of health, everybody will remove from many kind of diseases. We must practice some rules. Before meal, we must be wash our head and regularly we must be bath. Brush our teeth twice a day. And our hair must be clean and regularly we take balanced diet. Which save us from the many kinds of diseases and build our body or make antibody so everybody must take or practice the rules of health. If we regularly maintain the rules of health, I hope that we must be safe from many kind of diseases. In this moment, I advise every student to follow the rules of health in your home, and you must be attentive to your study at home. Thank you, everybody. Stay home and stay safe. I hope Almighty Allah and Allah bless to you. Thank you.